Mill Creek Campground, July 17th, 2016, around 7:30. Just took the first right as you pull in past the office. Tree down back there. I don't know if I can even get through on that side. We'll find out. And then something rolled up. Big tree down over there. Little kids over there and people waving. Branches here. Okay. Branches all over. Branches already piled up. They've been cleaning. And you can get through the road up here. It's good. Tree came down, or should say, oh yeah, the whole tree came down. There's where she snapped. Boy, it looks like it twisted. Oh, that camper's fried. Whole front of that was smashed up. Over the creek now. Nothing looks too bad here, eh? Doesn't look too bad here. A few little branches right there. Not too bad. Nothing here. Oh, 4 branches over there. I think I missed them. This side looks good though, unless they cleaned up already. Oh, here it looks like we had some stuff across the road. Look at the branch broke down there. And branches there. And here. Oh, they got more down over there. Right there. Oh, they got a tree down. Oh my God. There. Tarp shot. Or their awning, I mean. Yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's pull in here and see what we find out down here with all the kids. There. We'll just park up here.